Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Huawei P30 Lite that is turning on, but it's not really showing us anything because the display is super cracked. Let's go fix it. Here we go. We are trying to remove the back cover on this Huawei P30 Lite. The back cover is not damaged, and we're taking our time to detach the back cover so we can gain access to the internal components. We're spraying some IPA alcohol into the gaps, and we're holding on to the back cover so it doesn't stick back in. We have a connector to the back cover for the fingerprint scanner, so we have to detach that. It's rather flimsy, so be very careful if you're trying to do this on your own. But later on we will realize that this is rather complicated for a newbie or even an enthusiast if you don't have the proper tools and the patience to remove parts like this one. That's the fingerprint scanner flex cable. We have some subframes with flex cables, and we're gonna lift up this thin film that covers the battery and the connectors for the display. We're detaching the connector for the display and reattaching the connector for the battery. We have a replacement display here. It's a display and frame assembly, so we have to finesse our way to connect that, and once connected it will show us something on the new replacement display. So this will save us time, so we don't have to guess if the replacement display is working or not. Showing us the Huawei logo. It is booting up nicely. You can see there the touchscreen, the colors, no dead pixels. It's not damaged, it's good. So we can shut this phone down now. Unfortunately, we can't go into the home screen and explore the contents of this smartphone because the client doesn't want us to go into it. We don't have the passcode, so we are going to replace the display and they will have to test it when they receive the device. So this is the mainboard detached. We're going to remove some components, the front camera, some miscellaneous components, and transfer them all to the replacement display and housing that we tested a while ago. So that includes removing the battery and everything that is attached to the old display. We're also going to reuse the adhesive plastic like this one. We're going to remove the display now from the original housing. I guess we're just gonna reuse the display, or rather the housing. So remove the display from the housing that we tested a while ago and attach it to the original Huawei P30 Lite housing. This is rather simple, straightforward, but a lot of work. So we will retain the color of the smartphone, so it's gonna be just like this mirror finish silver, and we're routing the display connector through the slot and attach it to the main board once it is installed later on. Make sure the camera hole is okay, and we are installing the main board, pressing it in. Front camera, I'm gonna install that as well. We're gonna put the SIM card tray back in so that it aligns with the main board. Also helps us align the main board relative to the housing. And it's just going to be a reverse process. Next, the battery goes in. Press it in using its original adhesive tape. Connect the battery, and there you go. We're gonna cover the daughter board and put back all the screws. Make sure we don't forget anything. And as you can see, during the course of the repair, it's rather tedious and time-consuming to track all the components down. So if you are not sure if you can DIY this yourself, just go to your local service technician, service center, or you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. David will help you out. We fix iPhones, Samsung devices, and even Chinese smartphones like this Huawei P30 Lite. Or if you're not in Sydney, you can just mail in your broken smartphone to us. If you have an ROG smartphone, some locations don't have a qualified technician to fix them. So if you're interested in a mail-in repair service, you can message David through Instagram, Facebook, or you can leave a message or a comment on this video so we can arrange the shipping and where to send it, what's your address, and the fees included. There you go. We're gonna close this up. Even the fingerprint scanner is very, very difficult to put back. You're gonna get some tweezers and use it to poke it in. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. This Huawei P30 Lite is fixed. It's clean now, looking brand new up front. Remove the plastic. We will recharge it for the client, so when they come back, it's all charged up and ready to go. This is the before and after. And we peel off the plastic, and look at that, just like nothing happened. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and we will upload new videos later in the week, so watch out for that. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, speaking fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.